Hello, everyone. This is Linda. I'm here today. I am planting some of these rutabagas and just trying to plant some of these seeds I have in this little starter tray. Look at this. Yeah, it's been in there a while. And this is the first day that um, we've had a good looking day because it's been just very, very gloomy, uh, gray outside, kind of day. Yeah, I want to just stay inside. So I'm just going to plant these plants. I don't know how this is gonna turn out because it's just so many of them in here. But I'm just gonna try to choose some of the bigger ones to plant out. But I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today is Saturday, and yeah, guys. So if this is your first time here on my channel, I wish you would consider subscribing. I will be sharing with you all what I grow here in my Zone 9 garden. Yeah. So I'm just gonna plant a few of these these plants out. I cannot and I will not plant them all out because me and my grandbaby we was dropping these seeds. It was a lot of them, so I'm just gonna plant a few out and give the other part to my super juice. hmm So I'm just getting the bigger ones out. Yeah, but I hope you all are having a great day. It's been very nice out here, um, and I've done a lot of work around the garden today. As a matter of fact, this is my very first time really getting in the garden and working since I was ill. So yeah, it's been a very nice day, and I'm just not gonna let uh, all of the work overwhelm me, because you know it'll get done at one point or another. It'll get done. Each day we'll do a little more. That's all. But yeah, so much to do, so much to do. But I'm not gonna let it get me crazy, cause y'all know it could be crazy out here sometimes. It could get crazy. So this is what I've done so far, and I think that's all the rutabagas I'm gonna plant out. I think I may put a couple of them in that little starter pot over there. We'll see. But let me share with you all what else I did today. So today I finally got the other three pups in my banana trees in the ground. Yeah, when I shared that video with you all that I was planting, I was planting these pups. That is the day that I got sick. So today I finished it. So all three of them is in the ground, and yeah, they all is happy now. We'll see how it goes. Mhm. So I have my sugar cane over here. I haven't planted it yet, but I'm gonna plant the sugar cane here in this area. Yeah, this is where it's gonna go. So here is some of the peppers I harvest from my garden today. Yeah, so I'm gonna cook with these today. Yeah, those are those serrano peppers. They're not that hot, but they're full of flavor. Yeah, yeah. But on Monday, my girlfriend gonna come over and yeah, she's gonna pick some of these greens. So it would be her first time picking greens. Yeah, but she will learn how to pick some greens. Because I'm gonna show her, and I'm gonna show her well. Yeah. But anyway, guys, I'm having a wonderful day. I'm so happy. I feel great. And like I said, this is my first time out in my garden, really working in my garden and getting things done since I got ill. So I feel so much better. And now I can get back to cleaning and planning and getting it together. I'm just sitting in my garage. I'm just winding down now because I've had a long day out in my garden. Yeah, it's been a good day, a very good day. So I was just looking over some seeds and some things that I would like to grow this coming season. So one of the vegetables I want to grow more of in my spring 2020 garden season is sweet peppers. I want more sweet peppers this season. Now, I did grow some, but I didn't grow nearly enough as I really want. So I'm going to grow more sweet peppers. Yes. And of course, as you can see, I have my Dollar Tree bulbs. So I have lots of gladiola bulbs and freesia bulbs and tigridia bulbs. I still have a lot of bulbs from last season. And I'm going to get all of those planted out. But this is the thing, and I know a lot of people, of course, the zone where you live in, you must plant your bulbs according to your zone. Because if I plant my bulbs now, yep, they will start growing now. So I plant my bulbs like at the beginning of March, the ending of February. Yeah. And that is the time I plant them. And as soon as I plant them, yep, they start to grow. And matter of fact, I have some not freesias, but I have some gladiolas. I have iris. They are growing now in my garden. So I'll share it with you. So that is a gladiola right there. That's a gladiola, and as you can see, she just started growing. Yes, but let me share more. Now I put these gladiolas in this container, and as you can see, there they are. Yeah, so let me share some irises with you. Now, I know a lot of people, dig their bulbs up. It's simply because, they get lots of freezes or snow. Well, I don't get, if I do get snow or freeze, it really won't last very long. Not long enough to kill my bulb. So this is an iris bulb in this one. And that is a tigridia. And it's two of them right there. And here's another iris right there. So that's where they was planted last season. Yep. And they just start to grow. Yeah, so this is why I don't plant out my bulbs early. So here is my tigridia, some freesias, and I still have lots and lots of irises. So I will be planting those out, at the end of February, early March. Yeah, for the growing season. So I'll be ready with my Dollar Tree bulbs. Yeah. So another plant that I am looking forward to planting this season is this corn. Now this corn was sent to me by Pat Smith. And I am looking forward to growing this corn. It's beautiful. Now, I love peaches and cream corn, so I will be planting that also along with this Painted Hill sweet corn. It is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So I'm looking forward to planting this corn. Yeah. But anyway, guys, I'm just sitting here in this garage, just playing with seeds and looking over my catalog and, yeah, planting out, you know, what seeds I want to plant and how my garden is going to pan out this garden season coming up. Yeah, I got some of these growing right now. Anyway, I hope you all have a beautiful day. Yes. I know you guys are, some of you guys are doing the same thing I'm doing. All right, guys, you all have a wonderful day. Later, y'all.